Okay, here we are. The wrap-up of my light test. Winners and losers. Everybody loves winners and losers. Except there's no losers in this bunch. Some are slightly better, some are slightly worse. So here's the Mars Hydro, the TS600. And again, I had it in my little light box that I created out of an IKEA cabinet. And this, of course, is for my cloning experiments, germination, my winter herbs. Try to keep the herbs alive over the winter. When it gets cold and blustery outside, I bring them in, put them in here. Small cabinets, about 20 inches by 36 inches by roughly 60 inches. It's a nice size, and it works well. So I had this light in the cabinet with the door closed, very little ventilation, and I'll fit in a picture, if I can think of how to do it, to show the temperature after 24 hours inside the cabinet. And also I picked up a new beta test of a PPFD/light meter for my cell phone. And I'll show the color temperature of the Mars Hydro. So it's all interesting stuff, and I'll try to do a video review of the app I'm using on my Android. Anyways, to this light. It is the middle for power. It's running roughly 100 watts. So it costs a little bit more to run than the Bloom Plus, and less than the Growtronics. It worked really good for germination, worked really good for the seedlings, quite happy about it. Supplemental lighting out in the greenhouse. Now it was hung where the plant box got the most natural light, but still it worked really good. I'm quite pleased with it. I think it's a good option. I think the Mars Hydro TS600 would probably be a better option. Of course, then you're going up in cost. But I liked it. It worked well. For blooming out in the greenhouse, if I remember right, it was third behind, of course, the Growtronics was first. I believe the Bloom Plus was second, and then the Mars Hydro was third. Vegetative growth, I think it was the best out in the greenhouse. But I think it's a good buy. It's a good choice. I like it. I would like to try one of the 1000s. Hey, Mars Hydro, if any of you people are looking, I'm thinking about doing another test next year. Maybe we could work together. Or not. Anyways, that's going to be the wrap up on this one. A little shorter than my Growtronics. I like the look of it for in the plant room. It's got the sidewall reflection, which puts the light back. It was the brightest light out of the three, but the Growtronics, of course, because you can build your own hanger, they have better light spread. So all in all, it's well worth buying. If you got the extra bucks, maybe step up to the 1000. But I liked it. It worked well. So that's it for this one. And we'll get the Bloom Plus up as well. Keep tuned. And no matter where you are in the world, I hope you're having an excellent day. I hope your gardens are doing good and you're enjoying life. Cheers.